to my channel. My name is Candice, aka Diamond Candy if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. So I know it's been a minute. I've been kind of MIA. I haven't been sitting face to face with you guys chit chatting. But you know, girl, I've been going through some stuff. Y'all know how I am. Like, when I need my space, I need my space. And it's not anything against you guys. I still love creating content, but I just want to show up when I have something to offer and I have you know, that energy about me, and I don't want to just throw anything out there just for the hell of it. I'm not that type of person. But yeah, I've been going through a lot, and I just really wanted to switch my look up. Like, I just wanted to step out as a whole new person, you know. So I did my hairstyles video. If you guys haven't watched that, make sure you watch that. But I'm back today with a new style. As you can see, like, this is completely different than anything I've actually ever done with my hair. So I've been trying to play around with wigs a lot more. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about this RPGShow wig, and this video is in partnership with them. So if you guys are interested to see how I installed it and everything like that, this is beginner friendly because I am not like a wig professional at all. Like, this is the second wig that I own, and this is probably like the 5th time that I've actually applied a wig, and I'm getting better. So I have tips for all the beginners out there. So if you are interested, then keep watching. Like I said, this video is in partnership with RPGShow, and this is their blunt cut curly human hair lace wig in the color medium dark brown. I will have everything down in the description box for you. And the hair needs to be washed, so I'm gonna go in using this Maui Moisture coconut oil shampoo and the same conditioner. And once the hair is nice and washed, I'm gonna put it on my wig head and style. So to style, I'm using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. That is a mouthful, honey. And I'm just raking it through the hair. I actually put a little bit too much, so it weighed the hair down. So be careful with that. But this is what the curls are looking like with just that product. And now I'm going to go in with this styling gel cream from Shea Moisture. And I'm just going to scrunch that in there just to give it a little bit of hold. And now that the hair is styled, I'm gonna cut off the lace, and this is very tedious. You just want to try and get as close to the hairline as possible without, you know, cutting the whole front off. And I'm just gonna use the this foaming lotion to take the little hairs out of the way so I don't cut them, and just cut that bad boy off. Also cut the one in the back off too. I just didn't show that on camera. And this is what the wig is looking like for now. So now on to my hair. So I just put my hair in these 2 little pigtails, and I'm going to use this got2b glue gel to push back my edges to make sure that they're out of the way, to get any flyaways or anything like that. And then I'm going to use the blow dryer just to secure them in place. And I ended up doing a middle part because I'm going to do a middle part on the wig as well. So I'm just going to pin down these pigtails on the opposite side and try and make it as flat as possible. And this was, girl, the easy, lazy way of doing it. If you have more time, then, you know, you can cornrow. But this is what it is looking like, flat enough for me. So to secure the wig, I'm using this got2b glue spray. And I'm spraying it around my hairline, and you know, just spray. And this is what the wig is looking like. I had fluffed it out prior to this, so it's a little puffy, but I just put the wig on and then secure it with the clip in the back, the comb in the back, and then line up the part with the actual part that's in my hair. I always do middle parts because it makes it much easier for me as a beginner. So I suggest that if you're a beginner, to just do a middle part and you know, skip all the wig cap and all the balding and all whatever the heck, and just do that, and then, you know, kind of hide the edges, you know. So yeah, I'm just securing everything down, and this is what my hair is looking like. So now for some baby hairs, whatever part of your hair you have exposed, you want to kind of get some baby hairs going to kind of cover it up. So I only leave this little front section showing, and then I just use my razor to cut some baby hairs and swoop them to my liking. And now I'm just going to spray my hair with some water. This hair looks really, really good as like a kind of wet and wavy kind of look. So that's what I went for. So I'm putting some more of this gel in just to kind of, you know, give it some more definition. And that is it, girl. That's it. That's it. That is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and if you have any suggestions for videos that you want to see in the future, make sure you leave them down in the comment box and I will get to them. So thank you guys. I love you. Mwah.